Hello everyone, we are the researchers from Pinamukan National High School. Youth Encounter Program, Modification of Behaviors and Academic Performance of the Participants. Abstract. This study aimed to determine the changes in the attitudes of the participants and distinguished on how the program improved the academic performance of the Team Pecha members who participated to the Youth Encounter Program. The type of research used is the combination of qualitative and quantitative research that use both questionnaires and numerical data as the main instrument regarding the problems that are needed to solve, questions to be answered and tally the data result. The researchers concluded that the activities performed in the Youth Encounter Program became an instrument to open their minds to some realizations they need to know, and the program helped the participants to become better in terms of academic performance. Introduction. Attitude is the primary perspective on life. It is the mental framework that project on the world to unify perspective. Attitude helps us to filter and interpret our experiences. It is considered as one of the biggest barriers to inclusive education. Pinamukan National High School conducted an organization of misbehaved students and called it Team Pecha. Its aims are to change their behavior and improve their academic performance. To achieve their purpose, they conducted a retreat wherein the members should participate. Research questions. 1. What is the demographic profile of students in terms of 1.1 H 1.2 grade level 2? How do the school selected the participants for the said Youth Encounter Program? 3. What activity in the program caught the participants' interest and helped them in improving their attitudes? 4. What are the changes in the attitudes of the participants after participating the program? 5. How did the program affect their academic performance as students? 6. How do the school sustain and monitor each participant? Methodology. The type of research used in this study was the descriptive normative survey that made use of the questionnaire checklist as the main instrument in gathering data. There were two groups of respondents in the study, the participants of the Youth Encounter Program and the selected teachers in Pinamukan National High School. The student respondents were 38 students, which is 50% of the total population, while the teacher respondents were 13, which is 100% of the total population of the teachers who are involved in Youth Encounter Program. In able to tabulate the data gathered, this employed statistical techniques, the percentage distribution and simple computations. Results and discussions. 1. All of the student respondents were male and most of them were at the age of 15. 2. The basis for selecting the participants for the Youth Encounter Program are the assessment of the academic performance and behavior of the students, the recommendations of their teachers and student who does not follow in the school premises. 3. The icebreaker activity is the most wanted activity in the Youth Encounter Program, while the empty chair is the most disliked. 4. There is an improvement in the positive and negative traits of the student respondents after participating to the program. 5. The student respondents' study habits were improved after participating the Youth Encounter Program. 6. The monitoring of the participants by the teacher respondents include the checking of the number of times they come on class and participate in activities. Conclusion. Majority of the student respondents were at the age of 15 and the numbers of participants were in grade 9. The chosen participants of the Youth Encounter Program are those students who do not follow the school premises and those who have poor performance. The participants of the Youth Encounter Program preferred the activities like the icebreaker activity that was all about fun rather than any emotional activities. The activities performed in the Youth Encounter Program became an instrument to open their minds for some realizations they need to know. The Youth Encounter Program helped the participants to become better in terms of academic performance. The school did an observation to know if the participants of the Youth Encounter Program varied. Recommendation to the students: they need to improve their approach towards studying. There is really a need to focus more to the studies than doing unnecessary things that can affect their academic performance. In that case, the close guidance of the teachers to their students is also needed in order to monitor both of their academic performance and attitudes. To the head of the school, the first Youth Encounter Program done helped the participants to improve a little in terms of their academic performance and attitudes. Another program like this should be conducted for the total improvement of the participants. Activities like the icebreaker activity should be included again to make the program more enjoyable, since it was the most wanted activity. To the future researchers, in conducting a study like this, they should consider the different aspects and phases of the issue identified. They need to be considerate enough to meet the expected outcome of their own study. They also have to look into the respondents' potential and capability to be able to get all the needed information and to satisfy the objectives of their study. References * Daniel Sheck, 2012, Students' Classroom Misbehavior, an exploratory study based on teachers' perceptions * Essays, UK. November 2013. Students' Misbehavior in Jordanian High Schools Education Essay * Jankola, Susan Poland, Student Misbehavior, an exploratory study of individual, familial, social, and institutional influences, 1998 * Misbehavior of Students. Anti-Essays. September 1, 2018 * Narrative Report of Youth Encounter Program, 2017.